Hello, this is Nana Wanda. I'm sorry I've been away for so long, but we're going to start reading books again. Today we are reading 1-2 Buckle My Shoe, illustrated by Paige Billin-Frye. One, two, buckle my shoe. Can you tell me which shoe has to be buckled? 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. Do you dig holes in your yard? I know my little ones used to. 13, 14, maids a-courtin'. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. What is she cooking there? Can you tell me what that is? 17, 18, maids awaiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. Do you clean your plate after each meal? Thank you for reading this book with me. Tomorrow we will have another book. Goodbye.